Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Redmi mobile guys Bluetooth setting, and today video title guys how to pair Bluetooth device with Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to pair any Bluetooth device with your Redmi mobile. So how to pair one by one, step by step, friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Redmi mobile phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. Friends, in your Redmi mobile, click here Bluetooth setting, and friends, turn on Bluetooth. After turn on Bluetooth, friends, refresh your Bluetooth device setting. After refresh, friends, you can check your Bluetooth device network name. You have friends Bluetooth speaker, Bluetooth headphone, Bluetooth earphones, Bluetooth earbuds. So select your Bluetooth device and you can pair any device. So friends, click here. Friends, you can see pair option. So friends, you want to pair with your Redmi mobile, so friends click here pair option, and then device will pair with your Redmi mobile and you can use it. And friends, you don't want to use Bluetooth device, you want to unpair. So friends, after unpair, friends, you cannot use again this device. And friends, you can check your Redmi mobile phone Bluetooth device name, and you want to rename your device name. So friends, you can see other nearby device can see this name. So friends, you want to rename, so you can rename also. So friends, I will rename into Redmi Bluetooth. Right click here, device name will rename. So like that friends, you can use Bluetooth setting. And friends, if you click here, friends, you can check Bluetooth block list. Friends, you have blocked any device, so you can unblock from here. So like that friends, we can use Bluetooth setting in Redmi mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.